Hello everyone, let me show you how you can fix this fail to load link project problem with your Rust Analyzer extension. First of all, this solution is for cargo projects only. Whenever you create a new project, you will have to follow these steps, otherwise it will not work. I'm using WSL and you can also do this for your Linux system. So first I'm gonna open this Debian because my Rust is installed on my WSL. So I'm gonna type cargo new and I'm gonna create a new, I'm gonna just name it up. I will cd up and then I will code dot open it in the VS Code. Now what you have to do, you have to press Control P, then put the greater than sign, and here you will see this preference. If you don't see it, then just type it here. Type preferences, open workspace setting. When you click it, it's gonna create .vs code, a folder, and there is the settings.json. And here you have to type. Let me first show you if I open this file again. As you can see, this is red. That means it's not working. Now let's fix it. You have to type double quotation and write rust hyphen analyzer dot linked projects. Then you have to type your project directory. So I'm gonna open terminal again and gonna type pwd and then just copy it and put double quotation, paste it here, and you have to point to your toml file. So cargo.toml and save it. When you save it, as you can see, the rest extension error is gone. When I click it, as you can see, it's now showing run debug. And if I type let x is equal to any number, as you can see, it's suggesting me here that mean our extension is working. So this is the simple solution. If there is another problem like it doesn't work, then you have to go to your settings and here you have to look for the extension. You have to expand this one and go to your Rust Analyzer, click here and open setting, and here you will find some other options like Rust Analyzer if you haven't adjusted that like exclusively. So you can just remove those from here and leave it as it is, like with .rs. That's the default one. I haven't changed it. If you see option here, just delete them and it will start working. Or maybe try creating a new project after deleting them. Maybe it will work. Thank you for watching.